This is the TOPAS Grade 2 certified deposit safe from Format Tresorbau in Germany. Now this is a very heavy duty, serious, high volume deposit safe meant for applications such as department stores, hotels, credit unions, banks, that type of thing. Now this is only the Grade 2, but of course it comes in higher grades. The safe is 940 millimeters high, 665 millimeters wide and 665 millimeters deep. It has an internal capacity of 119 litres and weighs 570 kilos. So this is a very serious safe, and this is the smallest size in 3 different sizes. So you can imagine the kind of applications we're talking about for this safe. Now the deposit drawer can be fitted on the front, as in this case, or on the rear or the side. So you may have a situation where you have a cash office and the cash office locks down at a certain time, but you want staff to continue to make deposits into the night. You can have that deposit trap go through a wall and they're dropping through a wall, or it can be used in that configuration as a night safe. Now, one of the things you'll notice about the drawer, if you're used to deposit safes, is that there's no lock on the drawer. There's no key lock and there's no digital lock. This is one of the few certified deposit safes on the market, properly certified deposit safes, that has no requirement for a lock and still has passed its level of testing, in this particular case Grade 2. The drawer itself is quite frankly enormous. It's probably the biggest deposit drawer I have seen on any certified deposit system. It's 65 millimeters in height, 300 millimeters in width, and 265 millimeters deep. So there's nothing I can really think of you'd want to deposit that you couldn't fit in that drawer. And of course, because you have no lock on the drawer, staff can make deposits all into the night at any time of the day or night without compromising security. Now we'll just take a look inside here at the internal capacity. This is a Sergeant Greenleaf Spartan direct drive lock. But in many cases, people on a deposit safe like this will fit a time lock, so that although people can make deposits into the night or early in the morning, the door itself only opens when the cash office is open and only during certain times. Now you can see there's a huge amount of capacity here, and each safe comes with a shelf for inside the safe, where you could say fit the shelf in halfway and your deposits land on it, and you still have space under for maybe coins, floats, things like that. So it's a very, very heavy duty safe. Here's the certification badge here from VDS. It's certified to EN 1143-2, not 1-2. Now that's very important, because if you ever come across a deposit safe and you see EN 1143-1, that means somebody has taken a regular safe, cut a hole in it and fitted their own deposit trap. So nothing in the system has been tested. This has been fully tested by VDS in Germany. Now VDS are an accredited certification body, and we can tell that because on the badge it says ISO IEC 17065. So that's VDS's accreditation as a certification body. So to close the door, I'm just going to retract the bolts and turn it and close the door over and turn the lock back into the upright position. Now there is a deposit scanning system that's also available with this safe. If you get that fitted with the safe, as you make deposits, there's a light beam inside that actually tracks the fact the deposit has dropped and will give you a full printout of all of the drops per user or per till or whatever your requirement is. Each system can be customized. So all in all, this is a very serious, fully certified deposit safe for high volume applications with huge drawer capacity, and it will take an awful lot of punishment in the long term.